Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So I just got back from my local Harbor Freight for their parking lot sale. So today is Monday, March 2nd. So, I'm an ITC member, so I showed up there probably around like 8:45-ish or so. So, I wasn't the first in line or anything like that. It was pretty dead when I got in there, and there was plenty of stock for everybody. So the main thing, if you saw my previous video, I was going in for a couple of Quinn socket sets and some icon sets, and I was also going in for the full bank US General cart here. And luckily, I was able to kind of pick everything up. So I'm going to kind of go over real quick the tool haul that I had here, and then I will also go over kind of inventory, at least of what I saw, to see if you guys are going to be able to get what you're looking for, basically. So give me 1 second here. I'm just going to grab my receipt so we can kind of go over each thing individually if you guys are interested. So the first thing here that we're going to kind of look at is, so we have, let me get this out of the way. So, one of the things I've been looking at for a long time is this low profile impact socket set from Quinn. This thing's gotten a lot of good reviews. This is the one where you can basically, put it, it's super low profile, but you can also put it wrench on there as well if you want an even lower profile. So I was able to pick up both the metric and standard. Both of these, the metric on this one was, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So the metric was $40. So it's a 15 piece on the metric. It was $40. It was on sale for $14 off. So I got it for $29.25. Wait, no, that does not sound right. I'm sorry. $25.99. So from $40 to $25.99, and then the SAE version right over here was a little bit cheaper because this thing is only 11 pieces. So this one was $34.99 on sale for $22.74. So again, I've been looking for those, and it's kind of nice that they come in the foam. So these will kind of match the that general service set that I have from Icon and kind of live right next to it in the toolbox right there. Next up was, there a couple of these things were impulse purchases, which one of them was going to be this 10 millimeter 4-piece socket set from Icon. I already have one of these. These things are $10, but for $6.50, having, a bunch of extra 10 millimeters, I figured it's nice to maybe toss in a go bag or something like that, just to have some extra 10 millimeters. Those things go missing, so it's always nice to have a few extras there. Next up, it was going to be the eTorque. So I have their smaller set of eTorques currently right now. It basically went on clearance, maybe like a year and a half ago or so, and I picked it up, but it's only the smaller set that's on there. This one comes with a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. I believe the one that I have is only 3/8 and 1/4 inch, so this one adds the 1/2 inch in there. So since they're 35% off, I decided, let's go ahead and pull the trigger. And then this guy was normally, let's take a look here. This one is also $40 normally, on sale for $25.99, which again I thought was a decent deal. And then these also right over here were a bit of impulse purchases. So I already have the hex sets, they're smaller ones. But I decided to kind of pick these guys up right here because they go up all the way to 19 millimeters on the metric side and 3/4 of an inch on the SAE side. And I'm not going to use these very often. I do have some projects, in the works for myself that are probably a while down the line, which I know I'm probably going to need something of this size. So I decided, let's go ahead and just kind of pick it up right now while it's on sale. So these normally sell for $44.99, and they were both on sale for $29.24. Again, pretty solid deal for what you're getting. S2 steel, lifetime warranty, Icon, all that kind of good stuff that you guys know from Harbor Freight. And then the last thing that you guys are going to be able to see here physically today is going to be this Quinn set right here. Now, I already have the Quinn 3/8 master impact socket set, and I like it because, it comes in a case with all the different pieces that you're going to need. And, I don't use impact sockets a lot, but when I need them, a lot of times I don't know exactly what size I'm going to need, so it's nice having a case, take it with me, and I can kind of figure it out on the fly. But I've been needing some new 1/2 inch impact sockets because the only ones I have right now are the Pittsburgh ones. And I was going to get the Icon ones. Again, I mentioned on my last video, I saw Tools and Twisties had a video comparing the Quinn to the Icon impact sockets. and he believed that the Quinn were a better socket overall, even though they're cheaper. And honestly, I tend to agree just based off of what he said. One of the main things about it is these are a little bit of a thinner wall than the Icon sockets, so I decided to go with this. And the fact that it comes in a case with all the extensions and all the different adapters, a universal, all that kind of good stuff, I figured, what, this is going to be a better deal than buying a bunch of separate Icon impact sets. So I went with this guy. So this thing was normally $179 on sale for $117, so it was $63 off. That's why I picked it up. So 100, just over $100 for all these different impact sockets. Again, I thought was a pretty decent deal. And then the last thing, like I mentioned, was I don't have it here to show you guys. I'm probably going to go pick it up later today because I actually did have it in stock, which is kind of rare. Is going to be the full bank cart, obviously in green. And so this one normally sells for $5.99. It was on sale for actually, where does it say on here? It was on sale for there it is, for $4.50. So $150 off. That's one of the cheapest prices I've seen on that cart since it's come out. I've been looking at this for a long time. I've actually even been debating getting the snap-on version because it has the top that kind of slides, on the top versus, opening up, which I thought was kind of cool. But we're talking about $3,000 versus $450. It's a no-brainer, at least for me. Maybe if I was in a more professional environment, I would go with the snap-on one. But for my purposes in my garage, I think this guy is going to do me well. It's basically going to kind of replace my 5-drawer cart over here, and give me a lot more storage area because I don't really use the bottom part of the 5-drawer cart. So again, I will pick that up later today. I just have to go to the business, pick up the van, and be able to kind of grab that to load it in. So that's basically, what I picked up for me personally. Now, for you guys, if anybody's interested, when I was there, before I left, I kind of just did a visual check on a few of the things that I think were going to be the most popular, items. Now, this 25% off is pretty much anybody can get it at any time, whether you're ITC or whether you wait until, Friday, because most of these are going to be pre-sale, meaning that, you go in, if they don't have it physically in stock, you can order it. And then they'll usually get it in about 2 to 3 weeks is the timeline that I've seen in the past. But they're gonna honor that price for you on the day that you go in, and then you can pick it up at some point in the future. So this I wouldn't stress about too much, unless policies have changed or harbor freights are different from one to the other. But I've done this at a couple different harbor freights, so I'm pretty sure it's standard, across all of them. And then this one right here, however, this is going to be where it's limited to the stock on hand. So some of the most popular stuff is probably going to be gone, by the end of today or tomorrow. So people that are not ITC members might be difficult to get your hands on it unless your local Harbor Freight has a restock at some point in the middle of the sale. But, a few of the things that I think are going to go fast here are going to be the general service sets from Icon. And when I was there, they had 5 of the 1/4 inch and 4 of the 3/8 still left in stock. As far as Quinn sets, they had only one more of these guys left in stock. I think 1 of the 3/4 inch left in stock, maybe 2 of the 3/8. Although they did have a ton of the different chrome ones in stock. So if you guys are looking for Chrome Master sets, I didn't see any issue with stock. But if you're looking for these kind of impact ones, you may want to get in there, today or early tomorrow before they're all gone. But again, it's not like a lot of the other sales I've seen in the past where things got swooped up within the first 30 seconds. I even saw a few of the Meme XL tools, which are going to be part of this sale as well, which I confirmed when I was in there, that are normally $80. They're going to be 35% off, which again is a decent deal. I wouldn't pay full price for it, but at 35% off, not a little bad ratchet sets or socket set to get. So that's all I got for you guys today. I will probably do a video on the cart once I get it. If you guys have any other questions for me, leave it in the comments, down below. If you guys want to see, reviews of any of this stuff, please leave it down below as well. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.